Welcome aboard Serenade of the Seas. We are in room 7504 on deck 7, and we are super excited to show you this ultra spacious outside view room. Let's go. It even has a doorbell. Check this out. This is our first time in an ultra spacious outside room, and I have so many features to show you. Okay, so first when you come in, we have room lights and a foyer. We have a full-length mirror. We have 2 hooks there. We have the bathroom light. We have, this is I think the dial that you can have the announcements piped into the room. We have a temperature control here. We have our magnetic clips already holding our poster stuff. Check this out. This is a decent sized closet. You have, obviously this is a room for multiple people because there are 6 life jackets plus a small child's life jacket. So we'll be sure to be safe here. We have these flip down things. We have all this space that we're not even using because there are 2 more closets in this room. The only thing we are using is we are using this tie bar as usual for our little pouch that has our stuff in it related to clothes, laundry, wrinkle stuff. This room is the bathroom. This is not an ultra spacious size bathroom, it's the typical size bathroom. So let me go and show it to you. We have typical sink, shelf. We have no shower curtain, thankfully. The shower handle that comes down, it also goes up. Let me get that up to normal height. We have the 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash. And yeah, just your typical shower. And there is a clothesline. I always look for a clothesline because to hang up bathing suits or workout clothes, those are perfect. But also the ceilings are magnetic, so this is a nice rugged hook, so you can also hang up clothes on the ceilings. Typical flush. We have typical everything. 4 glasses though, normally we only get 2, so this is definitely a room for more people. We have closed door storage, only 1, but that's all we need. So we have 4 hooks here, and that's it for the bathroom. Off we go to the rest of this room. I kind of want to call it a suite, but it's not called the suite. It's just an ultra spacious room. So let's go. Here, I will show you this area first. We have shelving space, which as usual, this is Marshall's tech shelf. This is my tech shelf. We have sunscreen and towel clips here. We have a safe here, which we need to put our passports in there. But then we have a TV that does pull out and swivel for the bedroom or the living room area. Down here, I've already put our waters in the fridge / cooler. We have a storage shelf here, 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, as well as the same over here on this side. We have tray, which I love to put on the laptop or the mouse or my planner. We are planning to work this week on the ship, So that's kind of perfect. And then we have 6 drawers of that height. So it's pretty deep. And right now we're only using 2 of those drawers, so that's pretty good. Let me turn on the vanity light here. We have a Euro plug and an American outlet and another American outlet. And then older stuff we won't use, clearly. But we do have a Euro adapter that we can use for that outlet. We have here a pretty good sized chair. Middle drawer, typical room service menu, and hang tags for the door for breakfast. Same deal here. This doesn't have that tray on this side, but there are still 3 pretty deep drawers. So 6 deeper drawers altogether. So I can definitely work here in this area this week. Or I could work on the sofa or the chair. Or I could improvise and make my desk over here. Nice. And we have 6 drawers here. They're pretty wide. 6 drawers. You can see most of them are empty. 6 drawers here, and then we have the same exact thing over here under this window. 6 more drawers. We have our magnetic hooks here. The walls and the ceilings are magnetic, so look at this. There's another little bed here, 2 drawers, reading light, and then look, there's another bed up here. So the room attendant could bring this down and you would have bunk beds in here. And they have their own closet, which this is Marshall's closet. So there are 2 shelves and then hanging space. Isn't this fantastic? Oh my gosh, it's even adjustable for the shelf. Wow. They've thought of everything in this room. If my daughter was little, she would love this. So over here we have our bedroom, and the curtains do pull across all the way. So if you could have 2 people sleeping here on the sofa, 2 people in that little bunkhouse room, and 2 people here. So this is a 6-person room at least. And then I suppose you could have a playpen, crib. You can request a crib, so there could be actually 7 people in this room. So let me show you our bedroom. We have our typical sconce and reading light on each side of the bed. Typical drawer and cubby nightstand here. No outlets on this side, but it does have the switches to control the room lights. This is the closet I am using. Oh, and another life vest. So lots of storage space. I have my suitcases under the bed. And then on this side, same thing, drawer and cubby. But what they've added here is 2 Euro outlets and 2 USB plugs. So that'll be very convenient to charge devices at night. So I think, is that everything in the room? I think so. I've just been so excited showing you everything. We have 2 windows, which we were only expecting 1. And I think they're all just a little bit different because the 3D tour that we saw of an ultra spacious room was a little bit different, but we're super happy with this room.
It's a couple days later, and I just wanted to point out a couple things as you look out the window here. This is the first window that's closest to the bed. When you look out the window, just to orient you as to where we are on the ship, in the very, very front, there's the helipad, and you can see a little bit of the walkway. And in front of the helipad, like right here, right beneath us, is the staff area. I will say those folks are extremely quiet because we really never hear them. The only noise we hear is when the ship is docking, like when it was docking this morning, we could hear some of the noise of different components down in the front of the ship, like maybe them throwing out the ropes or something, I don't know, or maybe the pilot door, but we could hear some ship noise this morning, but it didn't really bother us. So there's that. I just wanted to update you on that. And then this window here, over in this window you see a lot more of the ocean and less of this ship. So hopefully this was helpful. Let us know if you've stayed in an ultra spacious room, if it was similar to this or how it might have been different. And we love Serenade of the Seas, so we're really excited to show you the full ship tour. And I don't know, we're just really excited about this room. So thanks for watching. See you soon.